The philosophy of education is a fascinating field that delves into the nature and objectives of education, considering both theoretical and practical perspectives. It examines different educational philosophies that shape the way knowledge is imparted to students. Let's take a closer look at some key educational philosophies. Essentialism is a philosophy that focuses on fundamental skills and subjects that all children should learn during their formative years. Reading, writing, and mathematics are considered essential for a strong foundation. This philosophy relies on traditional methods of teaching, with knowledge transfer happening from the teacher to the student. Perennialism, on the other hand, advocates for the development of knowledge and skills that are perpetually relevant. It places emphasis on principles and personal growth rather than rote learning of facts. Perennialism encourages students to explore and understand timeless ideas. In contrast to essentialism, progressivism promotes exploratory and experiential learning. It aims to develop problem-solving, critical thinking, and social skills. Collaborative and socially responsible learning are key features of progressivism. This philosophy encourages students to actively engage in their learning process. Another educational philosophy is social reconstructionism, which targets social problems such as climate change, racism, and poverty. It seeks to equip children with problem-solving skills and social justice awareness to address these pressing issues in society. Existentialism, on the other hand, promotes a student-directed learning approach. It focuses on areas that develop a learner's sense of self, beliefs, and life purpose. Existentialism encourages students to take control of their own learning journey. Positivism is a teacher-centered philosophy that asserts that knowledge is absolute truth. It advocates for structured, teacher-led instruction as a means for students to acquire this knowledge. Constructivism rejects the idea of passive absorption of knowledge. Instead, it asserts that students construct knowledge through their own experiences and information processing. This philosophy emphasizes the importance of active participation in the learning process. Behaviorism focuses on learned behaviors through environmental interactions. It uses reinforcement and feedback, such as graded homework and test scores, to facilitate learning. Conservatism is dedicated to traditional curricula and teaching methods. It encourages assimilation within an established culture and often incorporates religious education. Humanism is a student-centered philosophy that encourages learners to have control over their own education. Students are encouraged to study subjects of interest and engage intellectually, practically, socially, and artistically. Finally, pragmatism asserts that education should impart practical life skills and knowledge. The focus is on helping students grow into better individuals who can navigate real-world situations effectively. These various educational philosophies provide different perspectives on how education can be structured and delivered to meet various objectives and address the diverse needs of students. Understanding these philosophies can lead to more informed and effective approaches to education.